it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video off-site with my special guest,
Jess. With Jess.
And right now we are here at HeartsChoice in Calgary, Canada. And y'all, we've had amazing service so far. The food is just gorgeous. I'll show you in a little bit. But right now we're going to give you first impressions. So, yeah. You already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in just a little bit. Let's get into this food.
Yeah, we have our ginger chicken wrap. It's probably the most popular. Then the French dip as well.
I saw that and I said, I ain't had no French dip in forever.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh.
We're about to sample some broth. And this is from this right here, I think. Yeah, the cow soy. Okay, excited. Take a sip of the broth.
Oh, that's actually really good. Oh, and it's got a little kick to it.
Like spicy?
Mm-hmm. But not like overly spicy, like it's blended, the marinade, like it's good, right. So at this point we've lost audio, but don't worry, we are still gonna sample the oyster mushroom po' boy. And you know, we had to do a little cheers before we got started. Got into that bite, took a hefty bite, and you see the nods of approval. Moving right along into our second sandwich. So now we are sampling the French dip sandwich. And yeah, gotta make sure that everybody gets a dip before we get started, because when I dip, you dip, we dip. And yeah, you can see again the nods of approval.
Probably the maple ginger, and then the lemon pepper is a close second.
I feel like I gotta try the maple ginger, but also the lemon pepper for the culture.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. So we did end up getting the wings. We got the maple ginger, and we decided to do a little cheers and then get into it. So we're doing that first bite, and some a little off. So right here I'm telling you that it's hot, the batter is sticking to the cauliflower, which we like, and we decided that more sauce would make this a better experience. So we went back in showing you that it is fully sauced now for bite 2. And there you go, nods of approval. So now we're gonna get into our final thoughts. And so I use the pop method like I like to do in all of my reviews. So I'm just talking about how presentation and plating was really, really impressed with how everything is looking, you know, wonderful and intentional. And next we start talking about the aesthetics, and so that's the O and optics. And so I'll insert a few clips just talking about the vibe that we got when we got into the place. And so we gave it full points. And in this part right here in the video, we're just talking about it feels very tucked away, and it makes it feel like you found a secret, kind of like a secret spot. And then Jess is telling us that, yeah, it feels like you found or discovered a gem. And so now we're in the last peak. We've done presentation and plating, we've done optics, now we're talking about price and punch. And this is where we really get into describing the flavor. So I'm just kind of recounting what we got. We got 2 sandwiches, we got fries, and we got an order of the cauliflower wings. And then we also sampled the soup and got some cookies. So I am just going to show you some video of the things that we ordered before telling you if this got the Sister Girl Tuesday Poppin or not. So when we were originally deciding what to get, I was gonna get the po' boy, but I'm so glad that I got the French dip sandwich. Like, it was a first time trying it, and I really loved how it turned out. Both sandwiches were amazing, and the cauliflower, like, yes, when it's in the sauce, fire. And we just loved the fact that it wasn't mushy. So no big surprise, we give this restaurant the Sister Girl Tuesday Poppin. As you can see, we are giving it the stamp of approval. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check this out when you're in Calgary, Canada.